Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. This is our 9 a.m. update, guys. Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day wherever you are. Fantastic evening. And guys, we got an action-packed video for you today. This is just a word of advice, for all Dogecoin holders. We're going to talk about, what is a good trading strategy, how you should trade, some of the things you need to avoid. Some of the newbie mistakes that people make. We're going to talk about the Fed chairman's recent news article. We're going to talk about Dogecoin and other altcoins and how they performed in Q2. We're going to break it down, and we're going to talk about support resistance level, and we're going to talk about where Dogecoin is going in the next couple of days, guys. So you guys need to buckle up. Please watch this video to the end, guys. Don't forget to do that. Subscribe if you haven't, if you're watching for the first time, and smash the likes right away. And make sure you watch to the end, guys. And remember, none of this is financial advice. It's just me expressing my opinion. You guys need to do your own risk management. It's your money. It's not my money. So do all the research. Check out the tokenomics. Check out who's behind all the projects you're investing in. And my advice is I never invest in any project that's younger than 2 years. That way we avoid rug pulls and vaporware. Also, guys, just be on the alert that the number of ransomware and social engineered scams and all that is on the increase right now. There was a recent FBI warning that went out. So if you have your cryptocurrency on exchange, make sure you have your two-factor authentication enabled, and that way that will keep you safe and secure. I want to give a big shout out to all my subscribers and all my friends, family, and all my members, guys. So let's jump into it. Woohoo! So the big story right now is the federal chairman says stable coins need more, more research and more regulation. So it seems that the federal chairman, he doesn't like stable coins like Tether and stuff, and he's saying that Tether is really not backed by anything because Tether did claim and does claim that it's backed by U.S. dollar, but that's not true. Actually, it's pretty liquid, and it's only backed by commercial paper. So if I'm not mistaken, the total amount of Tether that's actually backed by U.S. dollars, less than 5%. So that's not good. And the federal chairman, Federal Reserve, they don't like that. So I think there's going to be some deepening regulation on stable coins such as Tether and stuff like that. So because they have made claims that they're backed by U.S. dollar, and that's absolutely not true, guys. So just make sure that you're aware of that. You have UDSC, which is also another U.S. dollar stablecoin. I think this is backed. The percentage of backed by U.S. dollars is actually higher than Tether. So, I've moved some of my U.S. Tether to U.S. DC just as a safety precaution because it looks like the Fed chairman is gunning for stable coins, and he has mentioned Tether in his news article that came out about 3 or 4 hours ago. So he specifically named Tether, so I think they're looking at that. Also, the Federal Reserve says that they're going to be issuing a white paper in September for the US CBDC because, a number of countries are absolutely looking at CBDCs. China's already rolled out their digital yuan. So we don't want America to be left behind because, not only is it a threat to national security, but it's also a threat to economic security if other countries such as China have a CBDC and America doesn't. So America needs to really play catch up with China right now because, not only has China thought about it, they're testing and deploying now. So, we could see before Chinese New Year or just after Chinese New Year, probably they'll announce the CBDC probably after the Chinese New Year, which is traditional and pretty typical for the Chinese government. So we could see that rolled out. So hopefully America can get their act together and get that moving. So that's really important that U.S. has a CBDC to keep things moving. And guys, what I want to talk to you guys, and I think this is really a warning to all Dogecoin holders and some advice, right? You guys have to understand that investing and trading are completely different. And a lot of people think that investing in Doge is a quick rich scheme, and absolutely not. Because investing means that you're in there for the long term, for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. That's what investment is. But trading is, when you're looking at swings in prices and volatility over days, hours, weeks, and maybe even months. But you guys have to understand timing the market right is really impossible. And only 10% of traders actually are successful in timing the market. 90% of the traders who try to do day trading or swing trading, they absolutely lose their shirt. 90% of them lose money. So if you're one of those that think you can just jump into crypto and invest and try to time the tops and time the bottoms, you guys need to wake up, because it's not going to happen unless you're a Wall Street super guru guy that's got 20 years of experience. And then you might be successful, but just keep in mind, only 10% of people ever get it right. Even me, I don't swing trade, I don't day trade. I'm a long-term hodler, and that's the way you want to do. You want a long-term hodl. You want to buy the dips, dollar cost average, and hold for a life-changing wealth, guys. I've been holding some of my cryptocurrency that I have in my portfolio for years, guys. I mean, I've been holding Bitcoin for 5-6 years, and that's the only way you can be successful. If you're going to buy and sell on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, it's going to be pretty tough, guys. So just be warned, the newbies out there, don't do that, because you will get burned, you will get wrecked, and once the money's gone, it's gone. And it's not about timing the market, it's about timing the market. The key is be in the market, be in there for a long time. Okay, so if you had bought BTC about 4 years ago when it's at the top of 20,000, and if you had held that BTC, because remember, when it was at 20,000, then it jumped down to like 4, 3, 6, and it just went, it just kind of went sideways and flatlined for 4 years. Now, if you'd have waited to this cycle and you'd have sold at the top of 65,000, you'd be making bank, guys. So, just be careful. I just don't want you guys to get wrecked all the time, because I just, I can see it in the comments. I can just see there's a lot of newbies in there, and like, yeah, I bought at 60 cents Doge, and I've been waiting since May, and I'm losing money. Guys, in crypto space, May, June, July, that's 3 months. In terms of time span, it's nothing. It's absolutely nothing, guys. It's a blip. So guys, don't panic, okay? Smarten up, wake up, be a mature investor. Don't be a day trader. So here's some of the 7 common mistakes that a lot of newbies make, and you guys just need to be aware of that, right? The first common mistake that everybody does is buying high, okay, buying at the top and selling low. And what happens is they buy at the top, they see the cryptocurrency going down, and then what they do is they panic and they sell, okay? And that takes us to the second point, panic selling. Don't sell on emotion. Don't buy an emotion, guys. Take the emotions out of the equation, step back, do your research, look at the market, look at the trends, and absolutely you need to zoom out, guys. Zooming out is really important, because it actually tells you a lot of things, okay? So the third thing is trading without a strategy. A lot of newbies, they just trade without a strategy. They just look at the chart and they say, oh, it's going up on a 1 minute time frame, I better buy. So they need to have a strategy. They need to set their tops. They need to set their bottoms. They need to understand what limit orders are and all these things. And never leverage trade, guys. Leverage trade, if you're a newbie, you're absolutely going to get wrecked. Okay. Another thing that a lot of newbies do is they follow the herd. They don't do their own research. They don't step back. They don't zoom out. They just follow what everybody's doing. And that's a big mistake, because it's your money. Don't let the herd tell you how to spend your money, okay? And FOMO. A lot of people, they just FOMO at the top. They have fear of missing out. They think, this is going to go up forever. This is going to go up forever. And they miss out. And when you FOMO in on something, sure, you can get lucky. But most people that FOMO in the top, mistake, it's going to go down. So, typically, you want to do the opposite of what the market sentiment is. So right now, the market sentiment is kind of a little bit depressing, a little bit bleak. So this is time to buy, guys. And when the markets are euphoric and everybody's like, yeah, we're making money, we're going crazy, that's the time to sell. So do the opposite of what the market sentiment is, and that's always been a big point of success for me in my trading career. And guys, I wasn't born with a silver spoon in my mouth, guys. I built everything from ground up. All right, guys. Hey, I worked in a restaurant before as a waiter, guys. I built my empire, and now I own villas in Asia. I own hotels. I'm running 2 successful businesses, an investment company, a hospitality management company. So, guys, you just need to stay focused. Do your research, and trust me, along the way, when I first started in crypto, I lost a ton, guys. I lost a ton, but I never give up. Never give up. Keep fighting, keep moving forward, and learning. You guys have to keep learning on the way, so it's really important advice, okay? So, And the other big mistake that a lot of newbies make is they don't diversify, guys. They put all of their money into one crypto and then that's it. And that's really not smart. That's dumb. So you got to diversify your portfolio. I always talk about the 50-25-25 rule. 50% in Bitcoin, 25% in big caps, and 25% in mid caps. And you can take 5% of that, the last 25%, and keep that in stable coin, or keep it for your moon bags. And these are very speculative coins. So that's the way you want to do, guys. And dollar cost average. Don't forget to do that, guys. You know, I don't want to see you guys losing your money. And the other one is psyching yourselves out, psychological anxiety. Sometimes you just have to stop looking at your portfolio, take a step back, and just watch, and stop watching the markets, guys, and just time is your friend, guys. Time is your friend. If you guys can just wait and be patient, things will go up. I mean, crypto markets, things don't go down forever. They always go up. If you look at the zoom out and look at the trend, okay? Because, you know, from 2013 to now, if you see where the Bitcoin price is now compared to then, if you guys just wait, you guys would have made gazillions amount of profit, okay, guys? So this is just, you know, a little bit of hope. I want to help you guys who are new to this, because a lot of you are like, I can see in the comments, like, you know, you guys are making comments that just show that you're new in the game, and you know, you're just stressing yourselves out. And if you continue to do what you're doing as per the comments that I read, you're going to lose your money. So just follow my advice. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is what I do, and I have some experience in this business. I mean, I'm an old fart now. I've been doing this a long time. So, you know, since I was young, you know, mining and stuff. So guys, just, you know, this is my advice. This is not financial advice. This is what I do. If you want to heed it, that's up to you, guys. All right, guys? Remember, you have to control your own money, right? Okay? So some of the good news, we've seen triple-digit gains for Dogecoin and Ethereum in Q2. So if we look at the Q2 results, we can see that Dogecoin and Ethereum are the Ethereum Classic, guys, are the top coins, guys. Amazing, right? So Doge is up 392% in Q2. ETC is up 297%. And the number third coin there is Matic, right? So, you know, Dogecoin in Q2 was the best performing coin, despite 66% decline since its all-time high in May 8th of 74 cents. So, and also in Q2, the number of Doge addresses in Q2 rose from 3.09 million April 1st, and it went to 3.7 million by June, guys. So that's really, you guys have to see that still a lot of people love the Doge. My Doge, the Doge community, the Doge tribe. You know, we're strong, guys, and we're still, you know, we're the number one coin in Q2 in terms of profits and performance, even though we had a 66% decline. So you guys should be really happy about that, because Doge has been, you know, where it is in the 6th and 7th spot for a very long time, and we're staying there, we're sticking there. I know a lot of you bought at the top, and, you know, you're underwater right now, but you haven't lost anything till you sell your coins. So guys, buckle up, don't be weak Nazis. Stop wetting the bed and get tired of all the complaining, moaning in the comments, guys, okay? All right, guys? So, you know, Dogecoin has gained some steam. You know, so let's look at the Dogecoin technicals right now. So Dogecoin has gained some steam from yesterday low of yesterday we went as low as 18.7. Now we're trading around 20 cents, guys. So that's up around 6%. So we're still butting our heads against the 20-day moving average, and right now the 20-day moving average is around 22. So 202. So we need to really get past that, and that's really what our technical resistance is right now. Technically, if we can move ahead, up and above and beyond the 20-day moving average, that's going to take us up to our next major resistance level at 23.24, guys. So I really believe that by this weekend we should be able to move past the 20-day moving average. I mean, yesterday we did challenge it. We did go above the 20-day moving average, you can see in the chart, but we got rejected. So guys, just be patient. I think Doge is going to absolutely be making some moves. Bitcoin is going to be making some moves too. You guys need to go back and watch my videos from yesterday, and we talked about where you know, the bullish squeeze, the bullish squeeze. We got two scenarios, and this was courtesy of John Wick on Twitter. Very smart guy, very good TA guy. So you guys go back and watch that, and if Bitcoin does make those measured moves up as predicted, you know, in middle of August, September, then we can see Doge definitely going up. But Doge is definitely not going to be hitting its all-time highs until wintertime, guys. So if you guys bought on the top, you guys kind of sit back, buckle up, and wait till wintertime. So when the snow flies, that's when we can see Doge hitting all-time highs. Okay, that's where I see it. and that's what I'm saying right now. So don't beat me if it doesn't happen, right? So let's jump into the markets real quick and let you get out of here. So right now the market cap is 1.7 trillion. That's up 3.6%. So that's pretty good. Bitcoin dominance is at 45% right now, and Bitcoin is at 33,098. So that's up 2.47%. So that's really good. Ethereum, thank goodness, is above 2,000. So that's good. It's back above the support zone, and that's up to 7.48%. So way to go if you're holding Ethereum. Congratulations, guys. BNB is at 313, and that's up almost 5%. ADA is up almost 5%, 4.18% right now, and that's at $1.28. And as I said, Doge is up 6%, and it's at 20 cents. So guys, don't forget to smash this like, guys. I love you guys. Smashy the like right now. Woo, smash that like. I love you guys to death, and don't forget to subscribe as always. Guys, check out my merchandise. I got t-shirts, I got aprons, I got cups, I've got the Weak Nancy t-shirts, I've got the channel logo t-shirts, I've got the Doge Army t-shirts. Check it out, guys. It's really cool stuff. Check out my NFT collection down below, non-fungible token art down below in my links. Yeah, check out the free charting tool. Who wouldn't want a free charting tool, guys? I love you guys to death. You know, here you guys can see in Vietnam right now we're in a lockdown. This is the second day of lockdown. So we can't go outside. So I'm filming this from my balcony. Thought I'd give you guys a nice shot of the ocean, nice shot of the mountain. You can probably hear the ocean in the background. It's a bit overcast and rainy, but this is the second day of lockdown, guys. It's super duper quiet. You can see, you know, not a mouse is moving, guys. So it's super quiet, guys, out there. So yeah, I'm stuck home all day with my 4-year-old, and he's getting cabin fever, and yeah, what can we do? So this is life in Vietnam now, a major lockdown. So guys, God bless you all. I'll see you in the next one. We'll have an update at 12 noon Bangkok time. Love you guys to death. Please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about my advice. And yeah, guys, support the channel. Don't forget, buy the channel a coffee. All of it goes to charity. And just to let you know, the giving all the foodstuffs and to the orphans has been delayed because we're now in lockdown. We can't leave the house, guys. We're only allowed to leave the house if we have to buy food, go to the hospital, or buy medicine from the pharmacy. And even if you want to go buy food, here they have a ticket system. So each road has a ticket, and you can only go on certain days as specified by the ticket. You just can't say I'm going to grocery store. So there's definitely you know, I think we're allowed to go. We're Wednesdays. Every Wednesday we can go to the supermarket. Other than that, we can't go. So guys, yeah, be blessed. Love you guys to death. See you in the next one.